I'm not drunk. I just got my eyes closed. Okay, first off, for this project, you need to find somebody with 12 kids and tell them to save you their green bean cans, or go to a nursing home cafeteria and say, please save me some cans. And if you buy you a can, get the can opener that rolls the edges down into it so you don't cut the fire out of yourself. Okay, now we're ready to go. We're taking the Bohemia stamp and the Iron Orchid Design stamps. I sell all these products, and the link will be in the description box. And you just literally stamp it with some ink. I used erasable ink, and when you seal your chalk paint, you need to take a clear spray paint and spray it, because with the erasable, if you try to seal it with your sometimes wax and for sure with your water-based top coat, it will smear it. So be sure and don't use erasable ink like I did and forgot and did that at the end. But anyway, so I just stamp it, and then you kind of have to hold the rolly thing. I'm holding it with the paint can and the blow dryer in place, or you can hold it between your legs, or you can roll up some towels to make it not run away from you. And I did this on the Iron Orchid Design page, and I will put a link in the description if you want to watch the full live, how I drilled the holes into the thing to make it with the light kit that I got from IKEA. That was around $10. It's probably $12 because everything's more expensive now. And that second stamp I used is my favorite one. It looks like little people praising the Lord. So I like to usually have that going up, but you got to think about which way you put this if you're going to use it for a light or a vase. So think about that when you're stamping it, and that's pretty much all for this project.